Hello everyone! Welcome to my classroom. This is Teacher Vivian, your English teacher. How have you been? Wow, that's great! I am good as well and ready for our new lesson. How about you? Are you ready for our new lesson? Wow, good job! Well, if you are ready, then let's start! Today, we are going to learn about character names and greetings. I want to introduce you with our new friends. Let us say hello to them. This is Tim. Hello, Tim. Can you say hello, Tim? Amazing! Wow! This is Rosie. Hello, Rosie. Can you say hello, Rosie? Good job! This is Billy. Hello, Billy. Can you say hello, Billy? Wow! Very good! Hello, friends! Now, children, can you say hello, friends? Wow! Amazing! It was nice meeting our new friends. Oh, I hope we can play together next time. Because we don't have much time anymore, we're going to say goodbye to our new friends. Goodbye, Tim. Goodbye, Rosie. Goodbye, Billy. Now, can you say goodbye to our friends? Great job for today, children. Today, we learned about saying the word hello and goodbye. I hope you learned something for today and as well you enjoyed. See you on our next class. Again, this is Teacher Vivian, your English teacher. Bye!